Hello and welcome to OptinMonster. Did you know that more than 70% of visitors who leave your website will never return? But by using OptinMonster's exit intent technology, you have the chance to show visitors a targeted message just before they're gone forever. Let us help you convert abandoning website visitors into revenue. One of the most common use cases of exit intent technology is to reduce cart abandonment. Your checkout page is the final step of your conversion process, and anyone who makes it all the way to this point is a high-value user. If your shopper is about to abandon their cart, you can show them a targeted campaign. You could send an invitation to chat with a support agent or offer a special discount to encourage an on-the-spot purchase. OptinMonster's exit intent pop-ups have proven to reduce cart abandonment and increase overall conversion. For example, check out our case study on how Wyden Imagery recovered 21% of abandoned carts and tripled his email list. Another common use of OptinMonster's exit intent technology is to grow your email list. In most cases, when a user is done reading your content, they leave. With exit intent pop-ups, you can show targeted campaigns such as downloading a free ebook, signing up for a free trial, booking a consultation, or signing up for a webinar. On average, our publishers are seeing a 200 to 600% increase in email signups when they use exit intent with their content marketing efforts. And OptinMonster's exit intent technology also works on mobile devices. Our mobile exit intent trigger works in two ways: when users scroll up and when they hit the back button. We found that these were the two most significant indicators of a user's intent to leave your site. There are tons of examples you can use to boost your conversions. Be sure to check out our article on exit intent ideas that you can use to grow your subscribers and revenue. So, are you ready to begin targeting your audience and boosting your conversions? Use the code in the description to receive a special discount and create your risk-free OptinMonster account today.